We have received 4 more items for the ATV. This one, I was joking that I hoped that it was the throttle. I think it's pretty obvious what it is, but I didn't want to not open it when I'm opening everything else. Not cut my fingers, just the package. They use like an actual tarp to wrap this thing, which is making an absolute mess. But I'm assuming was in order to help protect it from water damage. The seat that I took off of the existing ATV, there's like a clasp at the back that holds the seat in place that was broken, and it had already somebody had tried to repair it, and it hadn't worked all that well, so I figured rather than trying to repair it, I would just get a new one. I don't know if this seat is constructed the same way. If it is, it might be something that re-breaks down the line. And yeah, I don't know if you can tell, so this like hooks on at the back, but it's just bolted into the plastic of the seat. And in the case of the one that was on there, the plastic all around here had broken and this whole clasp came off, so the seat wouldn't really stay in place. So that's our nice new seat. The other packages should be a little bit more relevant to our project. This one actually has multiple pieces in it. Okay, so this one is the reverse switch. So you have a forward, stop, and a back on it. I don't know how exactly I'm going to hook that up yet, but there is a of course it's going to end up being, no, it isn't going to end up being the last one. One of these is a reverse 3-speed throttle, brakes, reversing. This one right here, so it's just a 2-connector, like a 2-wire connector that you can send a reverse signal with. I don't know exactly how that's going to wire up, but we will do some testing to figure out how to indicate. I assume that it's just a simple, if the power is passing through, it goes one way, and if it's not, it goes the other. We have the 3-speed switch, which actually already came with the 2.8 millimeter connectors on it, which I will just put into one of the, I've got these types of connectors I had shown in my last video, and there is one of these, charging port, brake, 3-speed. So there's a 3-speed, 3 wires. This is a 3-speed, 3 wires. The colors don't match up, so we'll have to do some testing to figure out what does what with that, but we will hook that in. And this one is our throttle. And it came with a different connector. It's got a 3-wire connector on there for the throttle. We got a thumb style throttle, and it will just hook directly up to this 3-wire. Again, we'll have to figure out what's what on here. We have a red, a black, and a green on this one, and a red, a black, and a blue on this one, which I assume we would just do the red to the red and the black to the black, but I guess we'll find out. And I don't know what, I think those were the 3 things. So these ones aren't